chat. I'm just rushing over the works to try and do one cast for somebody very special, done me a lot of favours, and if I can get there and do it, because they're on about shutting down early today, so because it's Christmas, so they're on about shutting down early today, so I got to get there, see if I can do a one cast, which will take what, hour, and I'll be out of there. Windy today. Places are shutting, it's Christmas. So I hope I got it first time, because they're shutting at 12, so hopefully it's all in there. Pretty preciously pretty. Seems to be going alright, so back looks alright. Back looks lovely. I think it's alright, Mama. Glass empty. Looks quite good. I think we can get away with it. That's generally it. These are for sale. If anybody wants one, let me know. Send us a message. And I'll give you a bloody good price on it. Well, there it is, all done. We're taking it now to machine it, polish it, and hopefully the new owner can have it well before Christmas. So I'm just going to run the edges first, just to get some neatness about it. Well, what I decided, I'm going to leave the pits in the paws. The pits in the paws, the pits and the paws, but make sure the love art is nice and shiny, and leave the pits and the paws. That way it looks like a footprint, don't I? Say yes, for Christ's sake. Well, I'm at the house to give this the catty plaque. They don't know nothing about it. She doesn't know anything about it. I do, you do. Get my keys, make sure the handbrakes are up here on a hill. Okay, let's go. Lock my Rolls Royce. She's having a fucking laugh. Hello. How's it going?
Oh, fantastic, mate. We're living the dream.
You're living a dream.
We're living the dream.
I can't fault that. Good God, all these presents for me?
Hello, my darling. How are you?
I think it's the first time I've seen you ate the working clothes, mate.
I know.
Hey, he's on the call, Jace.
It is a special occasion.
Have a cup of it. She thought, I can't believe how much I need to go.
Yeah, for a little one.
For a little one.
How long you had her?
She was 22, I had her 12 years.
Never.
But yeah, she was 22. It's not good.
I enjoyed it with it.
Well, I'm going to get down and do this Japanese knife.
What have you got to do?
Just a thing you put the handle on.
Oh, right.
But it's a Japanese. His son wanted to buy him one from China, obviously.
Yeah.
It was like £36, but they wanted like £36 postage.
Get it here, yeah.
Because it was a customs on it, and I said, well, if they wrote gift on it, it comes
That's
through.
right.
It comes through for free. Well, I can't be bad. Listen, I gotta run.
Bob. Thank you.
It was a pleasure. From day one, watch the video, you'll enjoy.
I will.
And
That is ridiculous.
don't let him leave any snarky comments on it.
I won't.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, have a good one, mate. Have a good
I'll
one.
see you in the New Yearish. Oh, nice, yeah. Well, what can I say? That worked out very well. Thanks for watching. Please do what you got to do. But if I can help somebody out or bring a little sunshine, I will definitely try to do it. This world is already upside down, so there's just a few of us trying to keep it the right way around, you know what I mean? A little bit of love goes a long, long way. Cheers. A little love goes a long, long way.